Hello everybody, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanjivaram silks. I am Rajni, back today with some exclusive beautiful Kanjivarams as usual today, starting with this hot pink Kanjivaram silk with rich brocade weaving all over the body and circular golden zari motifs in the border. This saree is priced 11,700. Next comes very unique turning border in golden zari in bright chilli red. Very intricate weaving in the border along with paisleys on the body. This saree is priced 12,700. Next comes another turning border with bright Rani pink this time, accompanied with contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here is the picture of the border and pallu together. This saree is priced 13,990. Another turning border in dual shade orangish pink. Very intricate weaving, unique borders in turning style. This saree is priced 13,990. Next comes beautiful pastel shade in baby pink and cream comes in the border. Rich silver zari weaving Vanasingaram pattern all over the body in the pink and traditional borders on either sides. Contrast pallu and blouse piece comes in the cream color. Here is the closer view. This saree is priced 15,800. This is how the body of the saree looks like, the rich zari weaving. Next is a bright color combination in brinjal violet and black combination. Silver zari motifs comes on the body, very much highlighted and beautiful, and silver zari borders traditionally woven on either sides. Contrast black blouse piece. This saree is priced 12,900. Next is a very unique designer piece. We have a video for it from the weaver. That is the pallu in Rani pink with the golden zari weaving in very unique motifs, floral patterns, and the folded part is the blouse piece. We will show you the body. This is how the entire saree looks like and is priced 14,500. Very rich jacquard weaving all over the body and circular motifs comes towards the borders. Next is another unique piece. Similar pastel combinations but different design this time. It has got grey in the border, pallu and blouse piece. That is the blouse piece in grey, and now comes the body and borders. Light pink shade comes in the body with floral pattern and cream borders. You can check the pictures here for the same saree. Pure Kanjivaram silks, all the sarees comes with silk mark tag. Next, let us see few borderless sarees, starting with this green. Minute checks pattern comes on the body and golden zari motifs. Priced at 10,990. Complemented with contrast pallu and blouse piece. And this one is light grey, circular golden zari motifs this time. Rich brocade weaving, self-embossed weaving on the body. Priced at 10,990. The folded part is the blouse piece that comes as plain. Next one is dark pink, the same design pattern. Golden zari annam motifs all over the saree with contrast green combination in pallu and blouse piece this time. We have another color combination, this time in red and light green combination. Mango motifs or paisleys comes on the entire body in this borderless style. Checkered pattern, beautiful sarees, each of them priced 10,990. Next few sarees are rich golden zari woven, trending design in Kanjivarams now this year. All these are comes in the metallic shades in pink this time, each priced 13,990. This is the purple shade. Entire saree has got the geometrical pattern woven on the body and turning borders all over the saree. Next is maroon shade in a different design pattern, very rich and grand. These sarees are very apt for bridal collection and each of them priced 13,990. Brocade blouse piece. Next is Korvai Kanjivaram, traditional color combination in mustard yellow and rani pink. Small borders on either sides of the saree and beautiful golden zari motifs comes on the body. That is the open view along with pallu and blouse piece, priced at 13,900. Next is a rich grand borders, peacock blue and purple combination. Golden zari buttas on the body, and this is the open view of the grand saree, priced at 11,990. Another color combination in the same design pattern, bright chilli red and royal blue selvage comes on the border on either sides, and purple pallu and blouse piece, priced 11,990. Another design in the peacock blue, this time different zari buttas on the body. Very grand border comes in the bottom part, priced at 11,990. Next few sarees are pastel shades with copper zari woven all over the saree, the medium sized pavanchi borders. They are simple borders but very elegant look, priced at 13,700. Here comes pista green, the same design pattern in golden zari. This is a different copperish gold zari, we can say. These sarees colors and design pattern is very unique and contemporary and attractive colors. This time in sky blue with copperish gold zari weaving, very rich jacquard weaving on the body and pavanchi borders on either sides in medium size, priced at 13,700. The folded part in light blue is the blouse piece. The last saree in today's episode in very bright color combination in contrast, red and bottle green, Korvai weaving. The folded part here in the green is the blouse piece and here is the open view. Pavanchi golden zari borders on either sides and self embossed weaving, priced at 13,700. In order to book your favorite sarees, please send us the screenshot along with the sarees price to our WhatsApp number 7010830303. My sister Bharat Lakshmi will assist you in placing the orders. See you all in our next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye.